Hello friends, welcome to our channel Asa Creation. Today I'm planning to do acrylic pour with classic gold and silver by swiping method. So I have this canvas, this is 14 by 11 and I'm using acrylic color silver, old gold, white and black. I'm also using Puddle, silicone, and probably I will use torch if I get too many bubbles. And I also have these plastic to swipe, so like different shapes and sizes, and I will see which one I will use. I have water to clean. So I already mixed my color with 1 part of color and 3 parts of floral. So here is black, here is gold, and I have added 3 drops of silicone in all colors except black. And here is white, and here is silver. So first I will cover my canvas with black, and then I will see how I can swipe it. It's a little bit thicker. Let's see how it goes. I'm just trying to cover the canvas. So now the canvas is covered with black. I think I will start with gold. And probably white. I'm taking this bigger swiper. Let's see if I can swipe it. Every time you swipe, make sure you clean your swiper. Let's see this side. A little bit here. Wow, it's so beautiful. Little bit here. I'll go a little bit here. Or you think I will mess up? I'm seeing few bubbles, so I will torch it. Lots of cells are popping now, small and big. I will take another picture after half an hour or 1 hour just to see how the color move. But it looks totally beautiful. Amazing. Here is final painting. I will make another painting with same color to make it a set of 2 paintings. Please do not forget to check my second video for this set of paintings. Thanks for watching. If you like this painting, please give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Thank you again.